So, just to help us further interrogate the understanding that we've developed from reading the articles, looking at the graphs, doing the maths activities, etc., we've got a generating questions toolkit here for you to help students to come up, or as a student to come up yourself, with 10 questions you might still have about water, sanitation, hygiene, and well-being in COVID-19. And the way that this toolkit works is that you have how, why, when, where, what, who on the left-hand side, is, did, can, will, would, might on the right-hand side. And what you can do is just use this to help you find out, or sorry, to help you ask more questions in order to find out more information. So, for example, you might say, where did COVID-19 originate? Or how might we develop some great solutions? Now, I say that because we're going to indeed ask that question, how might we, very, very shortly. The last part of empathy, if you want to do this, it's a really useful tool, is to actually do something called empathy interviews. And an empathy interview, which many of you who've done the course with us have done before in practice, is just going and talking to people and jotting down your notes in a space. So on this page under empathy interviews, you can write down, talk to different members of your family, your friends, your community, your teachers, etc., how they've been reacting in terms of COVID-19, especially around water, sanitation, health, and well-being. And you can start just by asking the question, tell me how COVID-19 has affected you, your hygiene and well-being. And then you can follow up with, tell me more about that. You might want to use the hexagons that are on this page to help you to organize your thinking. So you might put all things on these hexagons which are about well-being, maybe all things on these hexagons which are about sanitation. Use this whatever way you want, but it's just going to allow you to deeply understand the challenge of WASH W in the time of COVID-19.